1. Understand the basics of programming. Before diving into JavaScript specifically, it's helpful to understand basic programming concepts. Variables, data storage, e.g., let, const, var. Data types, numbers, strings, booleans, arrays, objects, etc. Operators, arithmetic, logical, and comparison operators. Control structures, if, else, switch, and loops, for, while. 2. Set up your development environment. To start coding in JavaScript, set up the environment. Text editor. Install a text editor like Visual Studio Code, Sublime Text, or Atom. Browser. Most modern browsers, like Chrome, Firefox, or Edge, have built-in developer tools, including JavaScript consoles for testing code. Node.js, optional for running JavaScript outside the browser. Install Node.js. 3. Start writing simple JavaScript code. Begin by writing basic JavaScript programs. Hello world, displaying a message in the browser's console. JavaScript. Sa-check-ma. Console. Log. Hello. World. Variables and data types. JavaScript. Sa-check-ma. Let name equals John. / string. Let age equals 30. / number. Let is active equals true. / boolean. 4. Learn functions and scope. Functions are crucial in JavaScript. Defining functions. JavaScript. Sa-check-ma. Function greet, name, console, log, hello plus name. Greet, Alice. Understanding local versus global scope. Learn the difference between variables that are accessible within functions and those that are available throughout your program. 5. Learn control flow and loops. Master decision-making structures and repeating tasks. Conditional statements. JavaScript. Sa-check-ma. If age equals 18, console, log adult. Else, console, log not an adult. Loops. For loop. JavaScript. Sa-check-ma. For let I equals 0, I5, I++, console, log I. While loop. JavaScript. Sa-check-ma. Let count equals 0. While count 5, console, log count, count ++. 6. Understand arrays and objects. Arrays and objects are key data structures in JavaScript. Arrays. JavaScript. Sa-check-ma. Let fruits equals apple, banana, orange. Console. Log fruits 0 / output apple. Objects. JavaScript. Sa-check-ma. Let person equals name John. Age 30. Greet function console. Log hello plus this name. Person. Greet / output hello John. 7. Master asynchronous JavaScript. JavaScript can handle tasks asynchronously using callbacks. JavaScript. Sa-check-ma. Function fetch data, callback. Set timeout equals callback, data loaded. 1000. Fetch data, message equals console. Log, message, / output, data loaded. Promises. JavaScript. Sa-check-ma. Let my promise equals new promise, resolve. Reject equals let success equals true. If success, resolve, data received. Else, reject, error occurred. My promise. Then, message equals console, log, message, / output, data received. Catch, error equals console, log, error. Async/await, modern way to handle promises. JavaScript. Sa-check-ma. Async function fetch data. Let response equals await my promise. Console. Log, response, / output, data received. Fetch data. 8. Learn DOM manipulation. JavaScript allows you to interact with the web page using the document object model, DOM. Selecting elements. JavaScript. Sa-check-ma. Let heading equals document. Get element by ID, my heading. Heading. Inner text equals new heading text. Event handling. JavaScript. Sa-check-ma. Let button equals document. Get element by ID, my button. Button. Add event listener, click. Function. Alert, button clicked. 9. Explore ES6 features. ECMAScript 6 ES6 brought many new features to JavaScript. Arrow functions. JavaScript. Sa check ma. Const add equals a. B equals a plus b. Template literals. JavaScript. Sa check ma. Let name equals Alice. Let greeting equals hello. $name. Destructuring. JavaScript. Sa check ma. Let person equals name John. Age 30. Let name age equals person. 10. Practice and build projects. Building projects will help reinforce your learning. Simple projects, a to-do list, a calculator, a weather app. Complex projects, build a blog, a personal portfolio, or a small game. Participate in coding challenges on platforms like LeetCode, Code Wars, or HackerRank. 11. Deepen your knowledge. Once you're comfortable with the basics, dive deeper into advanced topics. Higher order functions, closures and scope chain, prototype inheritance, modules in JavaScript, error handling, try-catch blocks and custom errors. 12. Stay updated and join the community. JavaScript evolves rapidly, so stay updated with new features and best practices. Follow blogs, tutorials, and documentation, e.g., MDN web docs. Join online communities, Stack Overflow, Reddit, or Twitter to ask questions and share knowledge. By following these steps, you'll gain a solid foundation in JavaScript and be prepared to build real-world applications.